Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create an emotional light trail effect using Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a dark canvas because light only feels powerful when it comes out of darkness. I place my main subject slightly off center so the movement feels natural, not forced. I pause for a moment here. This silence helps me imagine where the light should travel. Next, I create a new empty layer and select a soft round brush, lowering the hardness completely so the strokes feel smooth and alive. I choose a bright color, something energetic, and slowly draw curved lines around the subject, not rushing at all. I stretch the word flow in my mind because light must move, not